Oh my god, guys. Bitcoin finally gave this upward movement for approximately 8% just for several hours. What does it all mean for us, and has Bitcoin reversed? Let me explain. So basically, if we scale out and switch to the daily time frame, right here we can see that Bitcoin is still trading in a long-term downward trend. Because if we turn on the exponential moving averages, right here we can see that Bitcoin on the 3rd November 2025 broke below the key support level, the 200 EMA, by this downward movement, and since that moment the price has not been above the resistance level, which means that Bitcoin right now is still trading in a downward trend if we talk about long term. And the first rule in a downward trend is that all the bounces, all the pullbacks, which people first of all interpret as bounces, not as reversals, guys. And right here we can see that Bitcoin literally gave this upward move, and I think that with the high probability it's all a manipulation. Let me explain. So if we switch to the 1 hour time frame, right here we can see that Bitcoin sometimes Bitcoin may change its trend from upward to downward if we talk about swing term. And the Bitcoin previously, after this false breakout, started to trade in an upward trend because minimums and maximums start to increase for a short period of time. And when Bitcoin approached the resistance level at $67,000, Bitcoin got rejected from the resistance level, and maximums and minimums start to decrease, which means that Bitcoin, since that moment, started to trade in a downward trend. On top of that, Bitcoin broke below the diagonal support level on which previously this upward trend was stick on. And what the definition of a downward trend? The definition of a downward trend is when maximums and minimums are decreasing. And when Bitcoin hit the resistance level at 65,450, it was some nuance appeared right here. Because if Bitcoin break it above, with a high probability we will see an acceleration of upward movement toward the resistance level at $67,000, $70K, and so on, as we see right now. But Bitcoin got rejected from the resistance level, which means that Bitcoin confirmed that Bitcoin is trading in a downward trend, and the downward trend is safe. But anyway, when Bitcoin got rejected from the resistance level, Bitcoin got closer to the support level at 62,250, which we may interpret that all this fluctuation, it is consolidation before price may break below the support level. And which means that if Bitcoin break below the support level at 62,250, with a high probability we may see an acceleration of a downward move toward the support level at 60K, and at least in my opinion might be toward the support level at 57,800, the lowest price of 2026. But Bitcoin gave this upward movement, and I think it's just manipulation. Smart money did this manipulation. Why? Because if we see the Bitcoin chart right here, we can see that Bitcoin right now is trading at approximately prices at June 2nd. And above each extreme point going to be bunch of liquidity, bunch of short liquidity, because short traders put their stop losses above the recent high, the highs. And by this moment, smart money grabbed all the liquidity which was above this resistance level, this extreme point, and stuff like that. So basically, smart money literally grabbed the liquidity, and right now we can see the smart money literally flushing the short liquidity from retail traders, which means, but we have to realize that the liquidity and all the money from the markets is not happen out of nowhere. Yeah, each money which we see in the market are appear from retail traders, and if retail traders got stopped, yes, and stuff like that, someone took their position, and this it's a bunch of position, and of course smart money grabbed the liquidity above their resistance level by this moment, and I think it's just only manipulation, because Bitcoin is usually trading in a downward trend, and for both these for which reason Bitcoin finally gave this upward movement, there's no one who know it, which means that smart money grabbed the liquidity above this resistance level, and I think it's just only a matter of time when Bitcoin will bounce back again toward the support level at 65,000. So, but what about the current situation? I think it's obvious for everyone that we should not connect to current upward movement. Why? Because Bitcoin gave this skyrocketed upward movement for approximately 8% without any correction, and we have to realize that movement can happen, but it's just only a matter of time when correction will appear. On top of that, on the 1 hour time frame, Bitcoin is literally trading in the overbought area, which increases the probability of bounce back. And of course, Bitcoin made a false breakout of the resistance level at $69,000. So basically, and on top of that, it's like a straight movement without any correction, which increases the probability of at least in a bit correction. So basically, due to that factors, as said previously, I'm expecting a continuation of a correction from the current price toward the support level at least at $67,000, might be $65,500. Why did I choose these levels as a support, as a target? So basically $67,000 is a recent high because the maximum at approximately was maximum right here at approximately $67,000. Bitcoin hit this resistance level after it got rejected, but by this moment Bitcoin broke it above, but the price hasn't touched this level as a resistance one, which increases the probability of a bounce back if price hits this support level again. And I choose support level 65,500 because Bitcoin previously was trading below the support level. By this moment Bitcoin broke it above, but the price, as I said previously, hasn't touched the level as support one. So basically right here we can see two entry long points. The first one is $67,000, but I can't say that the strong entry point is something like in a bit weak entry point. But if Bitcoin hits the support level, we might think about long position, aiming for a little upward bounce for approximately 1 to 3%. But the more significant, more stronger support level is 65,450, 65,500, because if Bitcoin hits the support level with a high probability, we see in a bit upward bounce. And we may aiming for approximately 3 to 5% of bounce. But if Bitcoin gonna continue this current upward movement, for example, I see some entry short points at the resistance level. I see $72,000. So basically, if Bitcoin hits this resistance level right here at the resistance area at $72,000, I want to fire some short trades, aiming for a bounce back toward the support level at 69.70K. That we will see. So basically, guys, I said to you three entry points with which we can trade. The most significant is 72K as resistance one, and the most significant support level is 65,500. But it's like in a bit weaker level, but anyway, it's $67,000. So basically, due to that fact, as I said previously, that Bitcoin is trading in the overbought area. Bitcoin gave these straight upward movement without any correction. I'm expecting a bit downward move, a bounce back from approximately current price toward the support level at $67,000, as said previously. So basically, guys, this was just my take and my view on Bitcoin, not financial advice, guys, just my thoughts. But what about Ethereum? Let's check in a bit Ethereum. Ethereum gave these upward movement, but Ethereum broke above the resistance level, this diagonal resistance level, and Ethereum literally gave this acceleration of upward move for approximately 10%. And if we scale out and switch to the daily time frame and turn on the EMA right here, we can see that Ethereum reached the resistance level, the 200 EMA, and previously when Ethereum reached the same resistance level, the 200 EMA, after that Ethereum got rejected for approximately 50%. I'm not aiming and I'm not saying that Ethereum gonna give the same amount of percent right here from the current price, but anyway, due to that factor that Ethereum is trading in the overbought area, Ethereum hits their key resistance level 2100. I'm expecting a downward move for approximately the current price, guys. And right here, but to be honest, right here, literally from the current price, I see some short entry points aiming for a downward move toward the support level, at least at 2K, might be 1950 and stuff like that. So basically, guys, it was just my take and my view. Entry points for Ethereum I see from right here from the current price, and I want to fire some short trades right here. So basically, guys, and put my stop losses above the resistance level at 2150. I mean 2160. This is the most. This is good resistance level on which we can put our stop losses to not get wrecked by smart money's hand. So basically, guys, this was just my take and my view on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Not financial advice, guys. Just my thoughts. See you later. Subscribe to the channel because I record this video almost each day. Thank you, guys. Bye bye, and see you later.